Well, this guy's hilarious. I actually find some of his viral content funny because there's like a lot of satire in it. But let's see what he says again here.
Hey everybody, just finished dealing with a insurance thing at work, and I thought this was a good time to remind everybody that health insurance companies don't care about you. They don't care.
No, no, they care about their clients. They just don't like when people try to take advantage of the insurance companies, which a lot of people try and do by getting it last minute.
United, Aetna, Cigna,
By the way, you can't just get it last minute to cover something that's already happened to you.
Blue Cross, all of them. They don't care about you. They want to extract as much money as possible from your healthy body.
Okay, that's false because I will tell you right now, in the Medicare space, which is put together by the government, all the carriers, this is over 65, hammered financially. Medicare companies are paying out $1.50 per dollar collected. So they're paying out 50 cents more than they collected. They've lost hundreds of millions of dollars. And some of you might cheer and go, yeah, let's go. That's great. That's great. But guess what? That makes the insurance premiums go up because pharmaceuticals are expensive and people are sick. And no, it's like it's risk adversement. You're paying into a pool that pays out for you. If you don't want to pay the $500-$600 and you're okay with like taking the risk that you're going to pay the 60, 70, 80, $200,000 bill that comes your way, like then don't buy the insurance. But I wouldn't say they don't care about you, because if they didn't, then you would know, and then you wouldn't buy it, and then they wouldn't be in business.
Then when you're no longer healthy, they want you to die as quickly as possible to make room for other money-producing bodies.
Now, I can't say that's not true. No company likes to like, if everybody is always sick and they're collecting premiums, but then they're paying all that money back out and they're not profitable, it's called going bankrupt. So I can't say that's not true, but like, remember, you're paying into a pool that's risk adverse, so that way you don't end up with a $200,000 bill. And so that's why you pay the $300 or $400 or $500, or if you're covering a whole family, you're paying $1,000 a month. It's so you don't end up with $500,000 in bills. If you could pay the $500,000, then don't pay for health insurance and just save your money. Most people can't do that though.
So, have a great day.
Yeah, I mean, look, if there's no context here, this like drives me crazy. We deal with claims all the time. Now, don't get me wrong. There are insurance companies that are absolutely terrible out there. We try not to use them. The moment we find out that they are treated a client terribly, we stop writing it in our carriers. But like, it's sometimes hit or miss because there's so much context you miss when you use your insurance policy. Did the person at the front desk run it correctly? Did they get it to the billing department correctly? Did the person at the billing department do their job correctly? Did they file the right codes correctly? There's like so many different issues that can happen. And then it just leads people to go on the internet and try to go viral and be like, yeah, they just don't care about you. Yeah, that's not entirely true. Because if that was, they wouldn't be in business. Hey, thanks for watching the content. If you want to have better health insurance, whether pricing or coverage, you want something different or new, you want something where you feel like you have hands-on support from a live agent in the actual process of getting the policy and the post part of actually filing claims, please go to our website, click on the link below, or fill out our lead form. You'll catch a live agent. Our focus and intention is service, and that's all we focus on. And so if you want to work with someone who will hold your hand through the entire process of getting your policy to helping you file claims when that is necessary, you've got to work with us because let's just face it, we're the best.